Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial by Nocode Africa. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to SupportXDR, which is a bookmarking and resource management instrument that we are using in our ongoing bootcamp. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use SupportXDR as a student, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, and as an online educator like myself. Okay, so this is the platform called SupportXDR, and then with SupportXDR, you can actually get to create a streamlined workspace that adapts to your needs, keeping everything at your fingertips. I'm going to explain what that simply means. This particular instrument is for managed service providers, it's for business owners and leads, and then it's also for online educators and students as well. So I will show you all the necessary things that you need to do in order to start using SupportXDR. One of the steps that you need to take is actually getting the browser extension. We're going to come to this point, but let's start by first of all showing you how this instrument can be of use to you, and it is actually one of the things that you need to do in the ongoing bootcamp. This is the instrument you're going to use in submitting your your assignments and your task and your project. Okay, so this is like my dashboard on SupportXDR. All right, so how it works, I'm going to show you how to sign up and set things up for your own account. So this is my dashboard for eelspace. All right, so here I have different dashboards for Nocode Africa. I have dashboard for, this is like the dashboard for Nocode Africa. Then I have a dashboard for Nocode Africa Bootcamp, which is like where we have all the resources that we're using in the ongoing bootcamp. So these are like all the list of courses that you're supposed to take in the bootcamp. Well, you're not taking all of these courses anyways. You're just taking like one two of these, all right, that start your business and grow your business. And so this is like where we put all the courses and the information for the bootcamp. So this is basically where we put it. And then we also have dashboard for digital marketers. I will share all these links on the comment section so you can actually get to use it if you want. You can actually get to clone the dashboard and keep it as your own. So here the dashboard is basically where you can actually put all your links together and not have to display all of them on your browser. All right, that's why I don't have a lot of tabs on my browser, but because I can easily come to this dashboard and then go to wherever I want. Let's say I'm looking for links for software development. I can just come to my software developer dashboard, and then I can see all the links that I use for my work. And anyways, I have actually created these dashboards and I'm making it available for everyone to use. So you can check the description under this video and you will see the links to these dashboards so you can just use for yourself. And then I also have dashboard for product managers. Okay, so I didn't really fill up this one. And then there's dashboard here that shows scholarships in the United States of America. So you can actually see all of this. So you can leverage on these links to get admissions and scholarships to study in the United States of America. So then I also have a dashboard for people that want to learn how to use artificial intelligence or learn artificial intelligence in itself. All right, so these are all the resources that you need. These are like top 25, top 30 websites that you can use in learning AI. Then I also have another dashboard for learning cybersecurity. So you can come here and then you see a dashboard that will allow you a dashboard showing you different links to different websites that will teach you cybersecurity. Okay, then I also have a dashboard for community management, but there's nothing here. I have dashboard for learning sales. There's also nothing here for now. I will populate them and then you will always have access to it. Then I also have another one for people that want to learn Web3. So this is another dashboard for Web3. I know you might be wondering and asking yourself, how did I create the dashboard to put all of these things? I will show you how to create a dashboard for anything you want to use. All right, so but I'm just showing you how I'm currently using SupportXDR as an online educator and also as an entrepreneur. Okay, so I will walk you through how to really use this. Now let's start with signing up. So I will just come over here and just log myself out, And then from there, we will come back to the website. This is the main website. And then the very first step that you need to take is just to, sign in. I need you to just, register. You can actually check the description under this video to register. All right, so I'll just click on this. And then since I already have an account, you can just go back to here to register, fill in your details and register. Or, well, for me, I already have an account, so I don't need to sign up again. I will just click here, already registered, and then I will just, log in. That way, I log in into my own dashboard, and from there, I can see all the different dashboards that I already created. Let me just close this. All right, so these are all the dashboards that I already created. So now I know you might also be asking me, how did I create the dashboard and how can I get to use SupportXDR? So I will just show you how to use a SupportXDR platform, and then I will now show you how to use this to submit your assignment and task in the ongoing Nocode Africa Bootcamp. So let's go to how to use this. Now, first of all, one of the things that you need to do, just like we have here on the dashboard, you need to click here to install the extension. All right, this is going to allow you to install the extension on Chrome browser. But if at all you're not using Chrome like myself, you can just come to the website and you see the links to download the extensions for different browsers. There's for Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Brave, and Opera Mini. All right, so you can come here and get it. So, but for Chrome, you just need to click here and it will take you to this link, and then you will see the button here that says add to Chrome. All right, so I have already added this, this extension to my Chrome browser. That's why it's showing here remove from Chrome. So you can go ahead and click add to Chrome, and then after you've done with that, you will be able to find the extension here. All right, so this is the extension. That's you can just click, and then you see search, active tabs, URLs, apps, notes, and widget. We're not going to go into all of this. I just wanted to show you how to add the extension on your Chrome browser. Okay, cool. Now after you're done with that, the next thing you just need to do is go ahead and then have all the links that you want to add to your to your dashboard. So for instance, let's say I had already created a dashboard for sales, learn sales. So right now, what do I do? Okay, let's do for community management. Oh, preferably sales. Okay, so I'm going to just come here and click here and just delete this dashboard. I want to delete it so I can just create it all over again. So I just deleted the dashboard, and now to create a new dashboard, I just have to click on new dashboard. And then when I click on that, it tells me to choose dashboard type. I'm choosing organization. You can also choose personal if you want to not share it with other people. And then yes, I'm using eelspace. Then I can click on next. Then I'll just give my dashboard a name. So learn sales. I can say learn sales and marketing. No, just sales. All right. And then from there, you can put a description here. You can change the cover photo here if you want. And then click on dashboard. Now, and after you're done with that, you have a beautiful dashboard. This is your dashboard, all right? But there's nothing inside it, okay? You can even, when you've populated this, you can click here and click on share, and then click here and copy this link to give to anybody that you want them to also have access to the dashboard. But you have to make sure that you turn on this button that, that says change visibility. So, because when you turn this on, anyone with the link can view things you make public. So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to, populate this dashboard with the different links that you have. Okay, so let me just go ahead and close this. All right, I close this, and now I want to basically just use ChatGPT to look for let's say top 50 websites, top 50 websites, top 50 websites to learn sales and marketing. So let's just say top 50 websites to learn sales and marketing. So I just want to use ChatGPT to get all the links. Then from there I'll just put them on my dashboard, and so every single time I want to use it, I don't need to come to ChatGPT. I just go to SupportXDR and then access all the links. Now this is how beautiful it is. So I'm just gonna click enter. And Okay, for some reason it's not loading up. I'll just need to like reload this, and yeah, so I'm trying to just reload this so I can have my ChatGPT working. So great, it's working now. I'll just paste this and click on enter. It's going to generate the top, it's going to generate top 50, list of top 50 top websites where I can learn this. So I don't know why it's giving me like this. Okay, this is not how I wanted it to generate it for me. Yeah. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna stop here and say list top 50 website URLs where I can learn sales and marketing. Okay, so something like this. Let me see if it's gonna generate what I need. Okay, yeah, so this is fine. This is how I wanted it to give me the, you know, the information I needed. So with this, I can just like click. I'm gonna wait for it to finish generating all of it. Then from there, we'll click to open these links on my browser. Okay, so now while we're waiting for that, I just want to remind you what we just did. For us to create the dashboard, we had to just come over here. Well, you have to sign up first, and then after signing up, you have access to your dashboard here, and you go ahead and just I think one of the first things you need to do is like create a team, all right, before you even start creating a dashboard. Well, I think you can still create a dashboard directly. So create a team, call it whatever you want. Then after that, that's if at all you want to be creating a dashboard and then putting it as an organization, all right. So, but if you want to just create personal dashboards, you can just click on new dashboard, then give your dashboard a name, and then after that you have this, all right. So let's see how to add this information on our dashboard. So I can just come over here. So here is a list of 50 websites with URLs. So this is one. I can just click this and it to bring me out here. I'll just click them all one by one. Maybe not all of them. Okay, let's just see. LinkedIn Learning. I'm just gonna click them one by one. Then after that, I will show you how to add all of these links on the dashboard. Okay, so let's just do it. Then HubSpot, blog, buffer. Okay, let's go copy blogger, marketing props. Okay, so I'm basically just clicking all the links that we have here. So I'm going to actually click all of them. Yep. So we're going to put, imagine if I told you wanted to like, you know, go through each of these links. So like every day you have to come back and be searching this. It doesn't make a lot of sense. So some of them are actually not links, so I'm skipping them because it will require me to like copy it and paste it to find the real link. So let's just go for the ones that are actually links. That's why I'm just going for only the ones that are real links. So okay, so we're almost there. Okay, so I'm basically just clicking all the links. I think we're almost done. Okay, we're almost at the end. Let me see. Click funnels, search engine journal. Okay. All right, so we have a good number of websites already. So, okay, so first of all, let me copy this. Let me just copy this so that we can add it as a description for our dashboard. So if I come back here to the dashboard, I can click here to edit. Okay, I'll just click here to edit. Then it will open up. Then I can just paste this here and then update. If I want the display mode to not be list simple, I can just say cards and then update it. So when I add the different links here, they'll show as cards. So how do we now add all these links that I have, you know, put up here without having to, you know, because there are different ways you can do it. You can come here and add the links manually, put the link, the title, the description, right? You can add this manually, but that would be too tedious. That's why we have the extension. We have the extension for SupportXDR, which is what we have here. I've already shown you how to install it, but just one more time, you need to just go to the homepage, supportxdr.com, and then you will see where to download the extension. Click here to access for Chrome. here for Edge, here for Firefox, here for Brave, and here for Opera Mini. Okay, now that we have this, what next? What do we do next? We just need to click on here and click on SupportXDR, the extension. So that's after you've installed the extension. That's when you can see this. Now I click on here, I can see that it has an active tab. Like this particular, window has 34 active tabs. And so I can click to select all. Well, I'm not adding all of them to my dashboard. I have to uncheck some of them. Like this one is not part of it. This is not part of it. This is not part of it. This ChatGPT is not part of it. And then I will scroll down to where I have my Google Drive. I'll just uncheck this. So now I have 29 websites. Okay, so what I need to do now is I'll just click on Save to Select. It will ask me where I want to save it. So I'll just scroll down and look for the dashboard I want to put it inside. I'm putting it inside Sales, Learn Sales. Then I'll click on Save. Now I have, added all of these links at once to the SupportXDR dashboard. I can just come here now and just refresh this. Now I have all my links here. So this is the dashboard for Sales, Learn Sales. And then I have all the links that I have added here. Okay, it basically has like 2 pages. Now, what we need to do now is we're going to just go ahead. Like if you don't like the view here, you can just click here and say least simple. But I prefer the cards. You can also do cards detail, all right, if you want to see more things. But I basically prefer just, the cards part. So now the next thing that we need to do is we're going to go ahead and then what are we doing next? Okay, so now that we have added all of this, I want us to just delete the links. That's the links on the browser right now. So I'm rearranging this so I can right click on this and just close tabs to the right. Yeah, so I don't need these ones. Okay, so now I've cleaned up this and then I've already done that. So the next thing we need to do is, what else? We can just come over here. And then, of course, if you click on this, it takes you to the website. That's basically how it works. And the next thing that I wanted to just quickly show you, now I've shown you how to sign up, how to download your extension, how to create a dashboard, and I've showed you how to add things to your dashboard. The final part is what I want everyone to do. I want you to come on the platform. That's for those participating in the Nocode Africa Bootcamp. I want you to just come here on the dashboard on SupportXDR. Then click to create a dashboard for yourself. So you can call the dashboard anything you want to call it. So for instance, I want to call this dashboard. Let's say I'm a student in the bootcamp. I can just call this David Org. All right, so you can just call it your name, all right, and then click to create the dashboard. And then what I want you to do is I want you to put the links to all the things that you're going to be working on here in this particular dashboard, okay? So I want you to put the links to everything. So for instance, the very first assignment that we have gotten is to finish up to work on the e-commerce mobile application. All right, which you can find the tutorial on this YouTube channel. So it is expected that you finish it, and then after you're done with that, you need to go ahead and provide the web published link of the application, here. So let me just show you how that works. Here I'll just go to FlutterFlow. Really fast. I will go to sign in. I'm just going to quickly sign into FlutterFlow, then go to the e-commerce app, and then from there I will show you how to do web publishing. Okay, then after you're done with your web publishing, you can just copy the link and then put here. I just want to show you how that works. Okay, so let's go to e-commerce. Okay, I think it was called Claude. Yeah, so this is it. Now this is the application that we have been working on. All right, the e-commerce application. These are all the screens. So I need to just come here to settings. I'm basically showing you how to web publish now. So you come here to settings, and this is a mobile application. It can run on Android and iOS, and since it's built with the Flutter framework, it can also run on the web. So we can come to web publishing, and then what we need to do is like, we need to like, when you click web publishing, it will tell you to enable web support before publishing. So you click here and then turn this on and go back to web publishing, and you will see the link to, you will see the button that says publish this. All right, so you just go ahead and then publish. I can put the SEO title as Clot. Yeah, you can later on, I'll show you how to set this, but for now we're just publishing it to the web. So I'm gonna just click on publish to the web. It's gonna take roughly about 1 to 2 minutes for this to complete, and then after that we can actually get the link. This is the link actually, so I'll click this and copy it and take it to the browser and paste it. But when I paste this, I'm gonna see Baby Yoda. All right, I'm gonna see Baby Yoda telling me may the force be with you. All right, so this is Baby Yoda telling me may the force be with you. The reason is because it has not finished publishing, but nonetheless, I believe that when you're doing yours, you're going to wait until it finishes. So with that link, you can come here to the dashboard that you've created for yourself and click on add new, for instance, and then here you can just paste the link. This is it, the link to the web publish stuff. Then you can call it whatever you need. You can call it e-commerce mobile app, and you can put a description if you want. The list type, you can just forget about this particular one, then click on add. All right, and then now you have the link to your project. Okay, so this is what I will be checking, and we're not done yet. So and also for those that have gone through the the academy.vc4a business courses, so I actually advised all the students to go through the Start Your Business course. All right, so when you're done with it, this is the course itself. So when you're done with it, you just need to come to this dashboard, and if you scroll down, you see where you have download certificate, and you download your certificate. When you download your certificate, I expect you to just come here to your Google Drive and maybe just upload the certificate here. All right, so let me just go ahead and just bring the certificate here. This is my own copy. Why is it not allowing me push it there? Okay, for some reason it's not allowing me. So let's say file upload. I will just come to this certificate start. Okay, so this, I'm just uploading my own certificate. So this is my own certificate. So just upload it to your Google Drive, and then from there you will have, this is the file. So I will just come here and share, click to share, click share, and then I'm just basically showing you all the process that you need to use to just submit your assignment. So then change from restricted to anyone with link can view, then copy the link and click on done. All right, and then after that you can just come back to the dashboard and do what? Click to add another one and just paste it here. All right, so here you say, well, it's basically what it's giving you here. You can leave it like this. All right, and then click to add. Okay, so this is my own dashboard. And so now that you're done with this, all you just need to do is click on this option, click on share, and then click to share this link, and you can now go ahead and check this to make sure that anyone with the link can view the things that is inside this dashboard. Then you copy this. Now this is the link that you're going to put in the document that I will share with you. Either I will drop a link to a Google Sheet, so you can just paste the link to your own dashboard alongside alongside your name on the sheet. That's all, just beside your name on the sheet, the Google Sheet. All right, so that's like it. So you just copy this and then paste it there. Okay, all right, so I think I am done explaining how to use SupportXDR as your own dashboard, and also assessing the different things here. So the links to all of these dashboards that I have created, I will make them available under the description of this video, so you can just click and then clone them and use them for yourself. Okay, so I hope that you have benefited from this video, and then you will be using SupportXDR for your business and as a student and as an online educator. For me, this makes life very easy for me because I can manage the links and the resources that I get to share with my students. So just be like me and come use our SupportXDR. If you check under the description of this video, you will see the link to sign up, and then you can also start using SupportXDR. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Just give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.